Hey, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, styling your braids sometimes can be stressful, but in this video we're making everything easy, like 1 2 3, or let's say ABCD, just for you. Make sure that you watch the video to the very end so that you do not miss out on any tip or bonus idea on how you can style those braids in a cute way, elegant way, name them all. Well, in the meantime, before we dive into the practicals, please, I'd really appreciate it if you give this video a like. It could really help in my engagements and maybe reach more people. On that, you can also comment down below what you think about it, and you can share us out there. Just tell someone about this particular channel and make sure that you do subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any upcoming tutorials. In the meantime, as the video continues, I'll be dropping a bonus link in the description for you to check out, or at the end of this video, so that you can watch more tutorials and discover more ways in which you can style your braids. So let's dive into it. Well, for this particular video, all you need is maybe a mirror to look at how you're doing things, and something to hold on to your braids. You're going to be let's see, doing a couple of styles. And yes, I did these braids on myself, so you can also check out in the description how I did it. I'll be placing the link on how to do your own braids, and so it's economical and it's fun. So the first thing you do is, the easiest styles that I always tell you is just dropping all your braids towards the front like that, and then you pick some of the hairs for style number 2, that using whatever I'm using here like that. I'm just going to pick some of the hairs easily that way, and then don't do like this. Seem like you're moving it this way for style number 2, and then hold it at the back like that. Damn, and voila, there goes our style number 2. You see, it's so easy. Oh well, we did all figured out. That is style number 2. Please like the video, you can share us out there. From behind, it's as easy as that. So the next way in which you can style our braids, this was like the first style. I told you just release all your braids towards the front like that, all of them, leaving nothing at the back, absolutely nothing. And the next one, what you do is you're just first going to hold all the hairs at the top, at the mid top. Let me show. Right there. It's not at the center here or really at the top. It's just slightly above your neck, just slightly above your neck. And I normally find this one as an elegant style which can really go in with any official wear. And that brings us to style number 3. If you want to make it even more cute, you can always pull the first braids at the front there like that, and let it be, bringing us to style number 4. Or if you want to bring them all at the front down like that, brings us to style number 5. This way, I normally find it so cute and elegant. You don't have to push the hair really at the top. And yeah, Okay, let's go to the next style. The next style we're going to, you can actually add in more hair. You can drop, instead of one, you can drop two on each side. Like that, two on each side. And with your hair like that, you can always bring in another style whereby you can now decide to, like, you know, put in a bun. Pick all the hairs like this. As easy as that, and you'll be having something like that from the back. That is cell number. Is it 6? I'm actually running out of. Okay, wow, it really looks good. Yes, and to the next style that we would dive into, where you'll have to release all your hairs first. Okay. But I love this one, it looks good. Told you, if you do not want these hairs to be seen, you can always bring them, take them to the back, or before you drop them or do the bun, you just have them all held at the back. You see, you'll have something, you will absolutely have something like that. Side, it looks like, you know, those messy buns, but oh, you know. Okay, so let's release our hair. Set me free, mama, set me free. Remember, I had picked two thingies for holding the hair, although most of the time I've used just one. So this one brings us to the climax of our hairstyling. We'll have to, like, subdivide it into two. J once again. And then hold each from each side. Like that, you see? J once again. Anyways, we're holding both sides, but even that way it looks cutesy. Yo. Damn, I know this one is the climax of our styles today, and I'm in love with the outcome. It looks good. You look good, baby. Yeah, I know. It looks good. So you can always put in some spice by ensuring that all these hairs, well, there's some hairs I've been told. Let me add them. You can always add in some spice by just dropping some hairs at the front like that. You look good, baby. I don't even know how many styles we have done so far, but so far so good. Please like this video. I can put you a like. Just give us a thumbs, and you see. That will look good. Looks good, right? Okay, tell me in the comment section which one was your favorite, or should we continue doing more hairstyles on my channel? But this one looks good. I look like a doll. Anyways, I'll see you on the next upload. Thank you so much if you've watched up to this corner of it all. Let's catch up on the next update. Please make sure that you do like the video. You can share us out there. You can talk to me in the comment section. Make sure that you do subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and then check in the description the link that I'll be placing there with more tutorials. And see, you can always click on this side so that you can watch more of my videos. See you on the next upload. Cheers! Our videos ahead. Yeah, you look good, baby. Yeah, I know.